Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to do a lot of questions. We're gonna do only some of them, not all of them, or else that would make the video really long if we did all of them. So let's do the first question. 10. During the scavenger hunt, Ben's team completed 4 tasks in the following times: 2 1/3, 1 hour, 2 1/3, 3 hours, 1 1/2 hours, 2 1/3 hours, and 1 1/3 hours, and 1 1/3 hours. How long did it take Ben's team to complete the scavenger hunt? So, this is like the associative property of addition. When you rewrite them, it's the associative property. So we're rewriting them. 1 1 3 plus 1 1 3. They're 2. So first plus, it's gonna be also plus 1 1. Let's do 2 1 3. Okay, so it's gonna be 1 2 3 1 2 3. So that equals 3 out of 3, which is equal to 4. And then you add the 2 1/3. So plus 2. You already did 2 1/3. So it's plus 1 1/2, which is equal to 5 1/2. And they have the answer here. It is B. Number 11. Use symbols. Elijah wants to add 2 3/5 plus 8 1/6 plus 5 1/5. He rewrites the problem as 8 1/6 plus 2 3/5 plus 5 1/5. Then he uses associative property to rewrite the problem again, which shows his next step. So he could have it's 8 1/6 plus 2 3/5 plus 5 1/5. So he could have, you see how they have common denominators, these two only. So he could have moved, Elijah could have moved this one over here and 8 1/6 over here. So it would be 5 1/5 plus 2 3/5 in the brackets. Then you add plus 8 1/6, which was left over. And they have that right here, except it's the other way. The 8 1/6 is here, right here. So it's A. 12. Multi-step. Glenn finds the sum of 3 3/10 plus 4 1/3 plus 2 1/10. And Anna finds the sum of 4 1/3 plus 3 3/10 plus 2 1/10. What is the total sum of their answers? So this is actually a really easy question because they're not different numbers. Look, 4 1/3, 4 1/3, 3 1/3, 3 3/10, 3 3/10, 2 1/10, 2 1/10. Okay, they have the same numbers except they just switched these two around. So it's basically the same. You just need to find the answer for one. Like you can find Glenn or Anna's, but you need to find the answer for one first. And then the same answer you double. So we're gonna do 3 3/10. We're gonna switch the brackets around. 2 1/10 plus 4 1/3. That's gonna be the new equation. So first, when we add these, it's gonna be 5 4/10, and then you can simplify it to 5 2/5, but I don't think you want to do that right now. So actually you can simplify because 1/3 2/5 times, you can times this 3 out of 3 because that's actually better than 30. If you didn't simplify, you would have to do it times 3 out of 3 and that will equal 30 for this one, and that's too big. So it's going to be times 5 out of 5. 5 out of 15 and 6 out of 15. That's going to equal 11 out of 15. So we took the whole number out, and that's a 9. So it's going to be 9, 11 out of 15. And then you double it by adding it again. Plus 9, 11 out of 15, because it's the same equation except the numbers are switched around to confuse you. So it's gonna equal, we'll fix the answer. It's gonna equal 18, 22 out of 15. And this is an improper fraction. So we'll need to fix it into a mixed number. We'll need to do it into a mixed, turn it into a mixed number. 15. That can equal to, if you do it, if you count, but you could actually do mental math. Like, if you count, it's gonna be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. It's gonna be 7. So it's gonna be 1, 7 out of 15. So when you add 1, 7 out of 15 to 9, 11 out of 15, 18, it's gonna equal 18 equals, it equals 19, 7 out of 15. And the answer is right here. Okay, 13. Use the properties and mental math to solve. 11 out of 12 minus 2/3 minus 1/12. So we can rearrange this equation into bracket 11 out of 12 minus 1 out of 12 and then minus 2/3. So first when you do these, it's going to be 10 out of 12, and then you can do 2/3 times 4 out of 4. We'll do 4 out of 4 because 3 times 4 is 12, and the denominator, it's a common denominator. So it's going to be 8 out of 12. And then when you subtract them, you actually don't need to do it like up and down. So it's going to be 2 out of 12. Do they have this answer here? It doesn't look like they do. Did we get it wrong? No, we didn't. So you can, they want you to simplify it. That's why they don't have that answer. So it's gonna equal, actually, let me do it. So it is divided by 2 out of 2 because that's the least they could do. 1 out of 6. It equals 1 out of 6, and they have that answer here. So it is D.